Hi everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we were invited to the Philippine Army Gym through our non-profit called Well Balanced World. We first provided a health talk about the benefits of chiropractic care, and then we demonstrated the power of the chiropractic adjustment. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and click on the subscribe button and the bell for notifications.
Ay, pantay na sir. Pantay sir.
Ay, pantay na tayo. Apen na, okay na. Right? Yeah. Pantay sir. Kunti lang remedy niyan kasi.
Ano sa sweet lang yan sa sweet lang. Kaya pala mahina yung uy, ganun na.
Hindi, pantay ba niya eh.
How you feel? Scarlet snow? Sino tumutunog na eh? Isa lang gano'n ako. Kaya... Uy, sir. Sir, sa inyo. Alright.
Likod sir, likod.
Ano pong name?
Ronald po.
Ano pong masasabi niyo sa
Okay po, nakakatulong po.
Enjoyed this video, click on the like button and leave a comment below. We post weekly chiropractic videos. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and click on the subscribe button and the bell for notifications. There are more videos on our visit to the Philippine Army Gym. To continue watching another video, the one above here is the one I chose, and the one down here is what YouTube chose for you. See you soon, take care and be well.